Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download high quality music in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to download high quality music in YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here. Again, we'll be required to tap on the settings option over here just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and tap on the downloads and storage option over here just below data saving. And you can see, guys, here it says the audio quality, and tap on the audio quality option over here just below the download over Wi-Fi only. And you can choose your audio quality over here. Tap on the high, and next time you download any audio or any music files from the YouTube Music, it will be downloaded in high quality. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to download high quality music in YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.